Alright, so while I was working, a thought came to mind. Probably a lot of my friends don't know the National Heroes Park. Non-Jamaicans and Jamaicans, there's a park for our national heroes, right? Now, where I'm walking from, that's where, behind this gate, that's where the national heroes and heroine, the remains are rested. But on this side of the park, where I'm standing, don't mind the camera, it's just a prop, is where our former prime ministers are laid to rest. To my immediate left, which is your right, is the right excellent, and that's Norman Manley right there. No, sorry, it's Michael Manley. This is a family of Manleys, and this is the son, Michael Manley, former prime minister from 1924 to 1997. And he used to go to Jamaica College. For those who would like to know, Jamaica College is one of the premier high school institutions in Jamaica. I never went, but so them say. On this one now is Donald Sangster. Yeah, this guy is on the $100. I think Manley's on the $1,000. Yeah, $1,000 bills. Michael Manley. Donald Sangster is on the $100. Yes. So he's from 1911 to 1967. 1911 is the year before the Titanic sank. So it's a long time ago. So the monument that's there, so the rest of them chill. That's the monument for Mr. Sangster. I never showed you guys the monument for Mr. Manley. It's that dark tower there. Almost like, Gothic vibe. So moving up now. As I said, don't mind the camera, it's just a prop. I was just working and I just thought I'd do this video with the camera on my shoulder. Now here is the most honorable Hugh Lawson Shearer, another former prime minister. He was from 1923 to 2004, and he was the last prime minister to die, or the last former prime minister to die from my recent memory, so up until Mr. Seaga's passing. So that's his monument over there. And no, this is exclusive breaking news right now. So this, I don't know who he's talking to, but that over there, so where those guys are, that's where the monument will be for Mr. Seaga, right? So yeah, it's kind of overexposed, but it's back now. So those guys over there, from media, from the government, hopefully they'll have something nice like one of these monuments like Michael's or Shearer's, or this nice one too. But let's go over the grave and see what it looks like, the grave site. As you can see, Mr. Seaga will be laid to rest in that hole right there. Yep. So preparations are on the way. As I said, don't mind the camera, it's just a prop. I was just doing some work here and I thought I'd do a video with the camera on my shoulder. Now if you like my channel, just subscribe. Sometimes I can't bother ask you to subscribe, so if you want to subscribe, subscribe. If you don't want to subscribe, just learn something. Have a good day.